Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python bitwise right shift operator. So first of all, what is this operator in Python? So operators are special symbols which are used to perform some operations on values in a program. For example, 10 plus 20. So here 10, 20 are values and plus is the operator. So now let us consider bitwise right shift operator. So right shift operator, it is represented with, okay, 2 greater than symbol. So it is used to perform operations on binary values of a given number, which is zeros and ones. So bitwise right shift, it is used with a value a right shift of 2. So it will shift bit levels towards right side for a given value with given number of times. Okay, so for given number of times it will shift the bit levels towards right side. So if we take a 10 as 8-bit binary representation, its corresponding value is 00001010. So similarly for 18 it is 00010010. So now let us try to perform right shift operation on 10. So a 10. So binary representation 00001010. So its corresponding decimal values goes like this: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 for 8 bits. So wherever there is 1, add the value 8. We have 1 here. Next, we also have 1 here, 2. So 8 plus 2, the decimal value is 10. So let us shift towards right side. So a right shift of 2. So all these bit levels I'm going to shift towards right side by 2 times. 1 time, 2 time. So what is happening here? 2 bits are left empty on the left side. Replace them with zeros. And 2 bits are moving out of order on the right side. Ignore them. Now count the value and sum up the values of 1. So we have 1 here, only 1, 1. So its corresponding value is 2. So 10 right shift of 2. The answer is 2. Okay, right. So now empty bits are replaced with zeros and moving out of order bits, we can ignore them. Next, B 18. So 000010010. So wherever there is 1, add up the values. So 16 plus 2. So the answer is 18. So B right shift towards right side 2 times. So let us shift this towards right side 2 times. 1 time, 2 time. So left side 2 bits are left empty. Just replace them with zeros. And right side 2 bits are moving out of order. Ignore them. So we have 1 here. Its corresponding decimal value is 4. So the answer is 4. 18 right shift of 2. Answer is 4. So let us do this with a small program. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. A 10, B 18. A right shift of 2, B right shift of 2. So save this in your working directory. Come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So py python bitwise right shift operator example1.py. So 10 right shift of 2, answer is 2. 18 right shift of 2, Answer is 4. So this is how we are supposed to work with right shift operator, which is a bitwise operator. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.